Hey everyone, today we're diving into Amazon Sagemaker versus Amazon EC2 to help you pick the right AWS tool for your machine learning projects. Let's break it down. First up, we have Amazon Sagemaker. It's a fully managed platform for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. With Sagemaker, you get Jupyter notebooks, pre-built algorithms, and tools like Autopilot for automated model building. It handles infrastructure, scaling, and deployment so you can focus on your models, perfect for data scientists who want a streamlined workflow. Now, Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. It's a flexible virtual server service offering raw compute power. You can choose the instance type like GPU-powered ones for ML and manage everything yourself: OS, software, and scaling. It's ideal for those who need full control and custom setups. So, how do they compare? Sagemaker is pricier, about 40% more than equivalent EC2 instances, but it saves time with managed services, auto-scaling, and built-in ML tools. EC2 is cheaper and offers total flexibility, but you'll need to handle setup, maintenance, and scaling yourself. For quick ML deployment, Sagemaker shines. For custom, cost-sensitive projects, EC2 is your go-to. Choose Sagemaker for speed and simplicity, or EC2 for control and savings. Check out our comparison chart below for details, and let us know which one's your pick. Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.